Is this the best scanner in 2026? They say you can catch a cheater in seconds. Just upload a photo, let the AI scan it, and boom, hidden messages, secret accounts, everything revealed. 100% accuracy, zero effort. Sounds like the ultimate relationship tool, right? But is Cheater Scanner AI really that smart, or just another viral gimmick? This app has been blowing up on TikTok and Reddit lately. People are posting dramatic stories saying it exposed their partners instantly. Some swear by it, others say it's fake. So we decided to look deeper into what Cheater Scanner AI really is and what's hiding behind all the hype. According to its website, Cheater Scanner AI uses artificial intelligence to analyze photos, chats, or usernames. It claims to detect clues of infidelity by cross-checking online data, running facial recognition, and scanning metadata. Basically, it promises to tell you if your partner is cheating with scientific precision. That sounds incredible. Maybe too incredible. Because when an app claims to know the truth about human behavior with 95% accuracy, that's a big red flag. Let's start with the basics. There's very little information about who created Cheater Scanner AI. No company name, no registered address, and no public documentation explaining how the AI actually works. That's concerning, especially for a service that handles personal photos and private messages. Then, there's how it works. When you upload a picture, you see an impressive-looking scanner animation lines, grids, numbers like something out of a sci-fi movie. A few seconds later, it gives you a report, 83% chance of cheating or multiple hidden accounts found. But here's the thing, testers have uploaded random celebrity photos and even AI-generated faces, and still got dramatic results. That suggests the app might not actually analyze real data. Instead, it could just generate random scan results to keep users hooked. Looking at user feedback, it's a mix of extremes. Some claim it saved their relationships. Others say it caused unnecessary drama or worse, false accusations. And many reviews across different sites look suspiciously similar, suggesting they may be automated or paid, but the biggest issue is privacy. When you upload a photo or a chat, you're handing over personal information to an unknown system. The app doesn't clearly explain what happens to your data. Is it deleted? Stored? Shared? Nobody knows. And that's a major red flag in today's AI world. Cybersecurity experts have already warned that apps like this often collect data behind the scenes. The idea of finding the truth makes users act emotionally, skipping terms and privacy details. But once your photos are uploaded, they're no longer under your control. To be fair, some of the technology described, like face matching and metadata scanning, does exist. Real AI tools can compare photos across the internet. But using that tech for personal relationships without consent or transparency is both risky and unethical. So what's the verdict? Cheater Scanner AI might look smart, but it's not reliable. Its process is unclear, its data handling is risky, and its results are inconsistent. It feels more like a viral curiosity than a real investigative tool. If you're tempted to try it, remember, no app can truly measure loyalty. Technology can detect patterns, but not intentions. Real trust still comes from communication, not code. If this video saved you from wasting time or uploading private info, consider liking, commenting, or sharing. It helps others avoid the same trap. Stay smart, stay skeptical, and as always, question everything.